Hi guys, Mommy Terry here again. So, I am in Medical Center in Taguig. Na napagkamalan ko Medical City. Okay. So, just sharing with you na andito ako sa hospital kasi magpapaalis na ako ng gallbladder ko. I have no, it was discovered na may gallstones yung gallbladder ko since 2012. And there was like recently, like last year, sumasakit na siya and then nawawala, then sasakit ulit. Tapos pina-ultrasound siya. Maliliit, ang delikado daw is mas marami yung, pa rin yung maliliit, wow ha, after like 12 years. Mas marami pa rin yung maliliit na stones, which is delikadong makabara, parang sa mga, I don't know, arteries or whatever. So, it's better na ipatanggal ko na siya. And since I'm not getting any younger, kaya ito, parang sa pilitan, I decided na tanggalin niya siya. Ang gallbladder, of course. So, right now, mas kinakabahan ako kasi this will be the very first operation, considered daw na major operation pa rin, na gagawin sa akin na meron na akong maintenance. And note ha, I do have hypertension, high in cholesterol, at saka diabetes. So, at saka at age of 55, syempre mas komplikado na. So, kinakabahan ako. Me and my family are really praying na okay, magiging okay lang. Before I was diagnosed with this, all this maintenance, maintenance needed sicknesses that I have, I had like 3 DNCs, 2009, 2015, and 2016. So, and then isang CS lang, 2011. So, yung mga, amongst the DNC that I had, if you could notice, 15 and 16, madalian kasi. Yung isa, palpak yung pakagawa. Okay, ayoko nang sabihin kung saan hospital, pero yung mahal yun. Tapos, yung 16, kaya naging ka-vibes ko yung OB ko, kasi magaling talaga siya. And she's very kind. So, kinakabahan nung mga panahon na yun, not even the CS, hindi ako kinabahan na, I mean, for my life. But right now, yes, I would admit it because of all this maintenance, lahat, yung mga sakit na meron na ako. So, God willing, I could still see my young guests settle down. And I'm really praying, my family is praying na maging successful yung operation. Ako din, really. So, ito na muna. It's just a sharing. Oh, by the way, ang gallstones na kukuha sa taba. So, kung mahilig ka sa taba, taba ng baboy, taba ng baka, lahat ng matataba, definitely magkakaroon ka ng gallstones. So, iwasan na yung taba. When I was younger talagang hindi ko maiwasan yan. But now that I'm older, kahit pa paano, oo na. Bye! And it is July 8th and I guess 7 o'clock. So, good night na lang. See you again.